Hello everyone, welcome to the Center for Teaching and Learning at VIT AP University. In today's lecture, I would like to talk to you about various tools, especially whiteboard collaborative tools. When you see this picture, what does it come to your mind? Bulb, right? Ideas. Now, in this small video, we will see so many ideas where there are so many tools as a teacher, as a faculty, as a professor, you can use for your online collaborative tools. Okay, let's go to the tools. There are so many tools. Okay, I will just show you one by one. I started using this before 1 year. It's called Lucid Chart. Lucid Chart, it's a wonderful tool. You have so many solutions here. You have resources. The best thing of the only thing is you need to log in. You need to sign up for free with your official ID. And as you can see here, it's so beautiful. It has got so many templates. So you and your professor and your students can collaborate. And it's an intelligent diagramming application. All right. It's amazing. Please sign up for free first. And if you feel it's good, you take it. Second one, I would like to talk about Lucid Chart. All right. So the first one, you can go sign up, and then you can see here how online whiteboard tools are available in Lucid Chart. There are so many. I am using this mostly for when I'm doing the brainstorming sessions with my students and collaborative mind mapping. It's a wonderful tool, right? You can also use Whiteboard, right? Whiteboard.com. Okay, this is an online whiteboard with real-time collaboration, virtually from anywhere. You can also use Miro. I'm using Miro to the core. It's so beautiful, and you can sign up for free. And during pandemic, these kind of big companies are giving a lot of free opportunities for faculty and students if you have an official university account. So try Miro. And sketchboard.com is another good one. Sorry, sketchboard.io, right? It's an online collaborative whiteboard to get things done together, and again, sign up for free, try for it. And then explaineverything.com, right? As you can see here, Explain Everything online whiteboard, the best online whiteboard for recording videos, real-time collaboration. It's awesome, schools and colleges are doing it amazingly. You can try for it. And you can also go to webwhiteboard.com, webwhiteboard.com, right? And the other one is whiteboard.team. I repeat again, whiteboard.team. You can see here, it's a collaborative whiteboard. You can start whiteboarding, idea generations, online collaborative things. The beauty is you can save all your work. You can also know which student participated. You can also do gamification of the more the student participation, the more the points and all the stuff. It's really cool. And now for this semester, I'm using Stormboard. As you can see here, stormboard.com, and they have till December 31st, 2021. They're giving it free. See, I can show you the pricing aspect. You can see here, educators, click here. All right. So if you're an educator, please click here. And for educators, see, Stormboard is proud to offer its software for free until December 31st, 2021. All right. So, my dear friends, I want to make use of such a beautiful opportunity. All right. I made my students register with their university account and as a faculty with university account. And for educators, it's free till December 31st, 2021. It's clearly given there. So stormboard.com is such an amazing tool. I tell you, just go in and it's so much. And I also use another free tool called whiteboard.fi. All right, it's an amazing tool where you just need to go and just press here, create a new class, and then say, all right, so maybe say startup class, all right, 10th September 2021 at 9 a.m. All right, then I just go create a class, immediately I get a room, you see here. Now either I can show a QR code, all right, I can send this QR code to my students and they join, or I can send this link to my students. And what happens is the minute you send this link to the students, they immediately become a member and you can have a very good collaborative online. And I found all these tools so useful. I found all these collaborative tools very interactive, very engaging, and there's a proof of learning, my dear friends. So I hope you've got to learn all these things. So CTL, Center for Teaching and Learning at VIT AP University will be making every week as many videos as possible. If you really like this information, quickly subscribe, click on the bell, get notifications. Every week we promise to give you as many videos as possible. Our only request is practice, try, because these tools look very easy, but you have to practice and share to as many teachers as possible, right? Thank you so much. Once again, welcome to Center for Teaching and Learning at VIT AP University. Thank you.